Hello everybody, please eat at the Krusty Krab. What about having a nice Krabby patty? Well, I'll see if the customers come. Wait, but I don't have a customer. It's just SpongeBob's car. Hey, yeah. I'll let everyone have. Yeah. I'll let everyone have 3 Krabby Patties. Yeah. Come again, sir. Ugh. Mr. Krabs, but do you hear what today is? It's not Friday. Today's Saturday. Oh no! Hey, you give me that back. What? But it's Friday. Today's not Friday. It's Saturday. You give it back to me. I'll show you. You go take it. Great, you did the right thing. Nah, just kidding. I'm gonna keep it. What? Beep, beep, beep. Oh, sorry. Oh, well. Guess I'll never have a customer. Please eat at the Krusty Krab. How about having a nice Krabby patty or beep, beep. Hey, I see a customer. Yes, he's coming in. Yeah, back in business, baby. I hate my life. Yeah.